Hello everyone, welcome to Explaining Sales. In this series of videos, we will explore PowerShell, and this video will be a little different from the previous one. In this video, we will utilize the knowledge that we have gained from the previous videos in this series and complete a task. And the task is, see if there are any Windows updates that are available to install. You do not have to install them right now. And after that, get your Windows update history and save that output in a text file, so that you can reference it later whenever you require it. Now I want you guys to pause the video and try to complete the task. In this series, I have tried to stick with the methodologies and concepts in each video, so I hope you have learned how to approach any problem in PowerShell. But it's fine if you could not complete it, just watch the video and do it with me, and I hope you will enjoy this. Now the first thing we will do is check if there are any commands available that can help us deal with Windows Update. So we know how to do this. Just type get command update and the type is commandlet. The list shows some results, but none of them seems to have something to do with Windows Update. So what's next? Now we know that PowerShell modules are something that add to the current capability of the shell. So we can check if there are any modules available that can help us. So to do that, we can type find module and update. The list shows a lot of commands, but at a glance, we can see that PS Windows Update can manage Windows Update. So let's install this module, and to do that, we can type install module PS Windows Update. There was some typo. updat update. Press Y. Now that the module is installed, we need to check what commands were added by this module that we can work with. So for that, type get command. The module is PS Windows Update and the type is commandlet. The output shows a list of commands, and what we are looking for is something that can help us list the updates that are available to install. So one way is to read the help for all the commands, and by reading help, I do not mean full help for every command. And if we are not sure what a command does, we can just open the help system and read few lines at the top to quickly understand what a command does. So let's try one. Let's try reading the help for get Windows Update. Help get update. Now it says it gets a list of available updates meeting the criteria. So I think this command is what we are looking for. Get Windows Update and press enter. You must run an elevated Windows of PowerShell console. So let's run PowerShell as administrator. Let me make this little bit bigger and type get Windows Update. And if you have any updates available to install, the shell would present you with a list of available updates for you to install. As you can see, I have 4 right now. Now the next task is to retrieve our update history. So again, let's look for newly added commands. Type up arrow key. Now this is not in this cell. Let's type up arrow key right here. And this is the command. And at a glance, we can see that this command might help us because only this is the command where there is a history mentioned in its name. So let's try running help for this command. Help get W history, and it gets list of update history. So let's type get Windows Update history and press enter. Now this is it. We get the list, but we need to save it to a text file so that we can reference it later on. So let's pipe the output of this command to out file and let's name it to update history. So for that we can do up arrow key. Let's pipe it to out file. Let's name it text. And if we list the contents of this directory, we get out file right here. And if we get the contents of that file, now that's it for the task. Once again, I hope you have enjoyed this and learned how to work with PowerShell. At first, you may find this hard, but as you continue working with the shell, this will come as natural to you. At least when you are learning, try to stick with this methodology instead of going online and looking for solutions. That way, you can quickly become more proficient with the shell. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.